Is this a hit?
Yo, I'm doing a quick intro. I just wanted to say hello. Thank you guys for all the support. Last video did amazing. Sus. I'm very happy that you guys enjoyed the build. The reason this one took so long to come out is because I was waiting on Black Friday. And I'm still waiting on Black Friday. As I'm recording this, Black Friday and hasn't even started, Cyber Monday. Because that's when the deals for tech stuff pop up. So I'm gonna take full advantage of this, obviously. So this video, we do part 2 of the PC build. I know you guys love the PC build. If you could, and if you know anything about PCs, put down in the comments a good water cooling kit. Because I could buy all the parts separately, but I don't want to miss something and then start building and then I can't finish it. So if you guys know any good water cooling kits for, I don't know, just send me some recommendations. I'm gonna ask on TikTok as well because that's where I normally go to for answers. Also follow me there on TikTok and Instagram, all that stuff. It's EvanVro. Show some love. Thank you guys, and see you guys enjoy the clips, enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. It's here. Look at that beauty. Core P3. I was just making the TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. You can see me like do stuff. So fun fact, it almost got ran over when we got it because the person that delivered it put it in the middle of our road and we almost ran it over. But it's here, so we're gonna open it up. They also opened it upside down, so I have to open it upside down. I didn't think it'd be this big of an issue, but it's tough to get out. So, cool transition. If you want to see me build it, like, if you want to, okay. Oh! Okay. How do you open? We're gonna get an overview of me opening it from the top. Here we go. I don't know how to actually assemble this thing, but I'm gonna pretend like I do. It gives us the manual, which I'll probably need. A lot of parts. Oh god, these are the feet. That's all I got. This is where GPUs and expansion cards will be. Whatever this is. Then we got these 4 heavy boys. These are what are gonna be sticking out to hold the glass. Underneath here, boom, tempered glass, 5mm thick. So I'm gonna build it off of this great, beautiful manual. All right, I'm gonna try building it on the bed. So time-lapse time. Feet. And that, done. I don't think it can stay there, to be honest with you, because the glass is gonna be here. I need that fan. So I don't know where I'm actually gonna put it. I think I'm just gonna go put it on the floor in like the corner over there. Like there. Yeah, not where that kid is. Probably over there and keep the dogs away from it. But let's assemble it. Actually, let's assemble it over there. So zoom. I'm going on at this raw because I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. Oh my God. The case is done. Well, kinda. The rest of the parts are over here. They will be installed as we install the other parts. Obviously, you have the 2 SD and HDD card slots here. I think they're both 3.5mm, I believe. We have cable management here and here, which is very, very nice. This is where all of the actual GPU things are gonna be. That's where the GPU will be mounted if we're gonna do it vertically. I don't need this, I'll just have the bracket. This is where the fans are gonna go for just airflow. 1, 2, 3. Probably have a radiator in front of that. Here we have the power button. We have 2 USB 3.0s and 2 USB 2.0s with a headphone jack and microphone, reset button, Thermaltake logo. I don't know what this material is. I assume it's steel, but it could be wrong because it's heavy. I had to actually take off the front and back thingies because this wouldn't screw in unless like I took them off. I mean, it would screw in, but I'd have like plastic inside this, and I want this to be as sturdy as possible, especially because it's super thick tempered glass. But yeah, this comes off, and as you can see right here, it's got a magnetic filter, dust filter. This comes off with these 6 here, 1, 2, 3, and the same on the other side. So yeah, we're gonna have the motherboard here, power supply there, radiator with the fans, CPU, pump, liquid, tubes. It's gonna be dope.
3 days later.
Yo, kind of throwing a curveball at you. I was gonna do the power supply or the motherboard, but both of them are not in stock yet. So curveball. So I'm buying storage instead because it's dropped price from 99 to 69 and from 57 to 54, which isn't a big jump, but it's reduced. Reuse and recycle. Saves you $30, taking advantage of that. I won't be able to use it, but I can get it and show you guys and do some spec stuff. That's the main reason I wanted to do the motherboard next, because I could install these next parts coming in, but if it's not in stock and it's not gonna be here in time, then there's no point. So, in turn, I will be buying the other parts and installing in one video. So we have the Samsung 970 EVO SSD 500 gigabytes for boot and some things here and there like Google and all that other stuff. And then the big boy, 2 terabyte internal HDD 3.5 inch SATA 6 gigabyte, that thing. That'll store our games and the rest of our stuff. So yeah, let's cop these. Oh boy, it's time to drop the big guns. Bada bing, we'll be here in 2 days, I think. 2 days. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, Evan, block that out. Well, Christmas tree set up. Actually, that's a dope background. So hopefully those will be here in 2 days. It's Amazon Prime, so it's gotta be here in 2 days. Transition time, let's get it poppin'. Boom. We got our storages. First one is the Samsung 970 EVO M.2 NVMe. This is gonna be our boot drive. This is what's gonna hold our Windows, it's gonna hold our Google, it's gonna have all our stuff we wanna be fast. We can't put COD on this because it'll take up all the storage. Since it's an M.2, it's gonna go straight into the motherboard. It's gonna be really fast. As it says on the back, Unreal Performance realized. This is gonna be really helpful. Now, for our main storage, we're gonna have this. I'm opening my stuff. It kind of broke open, but here it is. It's still in the bag. I don't want to take it out just yet because I don't want to static ruin it. 2 terabytes SSD. I gotta be careful. I shouldn't be smacking it because it's got a fan in the back and I can really ruin it. So, yeah. So that's the storage. That's pretty much it for this video because I can't build anything until I get the motherboard, and the motherboard's not in stock. So I'm just buying all the parts, getting ready for the big build. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like. Thank you for the support. We're almost at 550 subs. So I'm dead serious. So appreciate the love. Thank you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.